Yo electricity fanatics, high voltage sign. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of high current and its shocking effect on your beloved electronics. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to keeping your gadgets safe from a fiery demise. So, what exactly is high current? Imagine electricity as a rushing river. The wider the river, higher current, the more water, electrons, flows through it. In electronics, every component has a specific river width it can handle. Exceed that limit, and things get messy. How does high current damage electronics? Buckle up, because we're going deep. Heat wave. Excess current is like a powerlifter squeezing your components. They resist, generating heat, the ultimate electronics enemy. Think of a light bulb filament glowing brighter, that's the heat cranked up. Overheating melts circuits, fries chips, and can even lead to thermal runaway, a fiery chain reaction. Melting mayhem. Some components, like solder joints, have low melting points. High current throws a molten metal party, literally melting the connections and turning your circuit board into a sad landscape of broken promises. Electric breakdown. Imagine forcing water through a tiny crack in a dam. That's what happens with high current and fragile insulators. The pressure breaks them down, causing shorts, where electricity takes unwanted shortcuts, potentially damaging other components or even starting fires. But wait, there's more. High current can also stress out semiconductors. These delicate chips get easily overwhelmed by excessive current, leading to performance issues and even permanent damage. Think of a marathon runner pushed beyond their limits, they just can't keep up. Female sign. Magnetism mischief. High current creates magnetic fields, which can interfere with sensitive components like hard drives, corrupting data or causing malfunctions. Imagine a disco ball gone haywire, disrupting the delicate dance of electrons. Now, let's crack the case of what makes an appliance demand more of this electrifying juice. Party overload. Think crowded dance floor. Too many appliances on one circuit? They'll fight for current, pushing the limit and risking meltdown. Worn out warriors. Just like a rusty bike chain, worn out parts like bearings and motors create resistance, forcing the current to pump harder. Rogue components. A faulty switch or a stuck coil can act like a traffic jam, blocking the smooth flow of current and demanding more to push through. Hey, before we zap off, a quick heads up. Remember how we talked about worn out parts and rogue components causing current spikes? Well, that's why investing in high-rated electrical devices is crucial. These bad boys are built with top-notch materials and meticulous engineering, meaning they're less likely to throw tantrums with current. You'll sleep soundly knowing your gadgets are chugging along with a steady, safe flow of electrons. High voltage sign. Plus, in the video description, I've got a curated list of some electrifyingly awesome high-rated appliances for every budget. So, check it out, pick your perfect match, and keep your home a happy haven for all things electronic. Voltage dropout. Imagine the river running shallow. Low voltage means the appliance needs to suck harder to get the same power, leading to higher current draw. Line noise. Think of electrical gremlins messing with the power lines. This chaotic energy can confuse components and make them guzzle more current. Temperature tantrums. Extreme heat or cold can stress some components, making them less efficient and demanding more current to work properly. So, how do we protect our electronics from high current's wrath? Matchmaker. Use the right power supply. Don't give a toaster the current meant for a fridge. Match the amps to the appliance's needs. Spread the party love, don't overload circuits. Give each appliance its own space on the power line, like VIP access to the dance floor. Built-in bodyguards. Many devices have fuses and circuit breakers that trip when things get too hot or the current goes rogue. These are your electronic superheroes. Listen to the warnings: dimming lights, buzzing sounds, or burning smells? These are your appliances crying for help. Unplug, investigate, and call in the electrician if needed. Remember, electricity fanatics, knowledge is power. By understanding how high current can damage your electronics and the sneaky culprits behind it, you can keep them safe and sound. And for more electrifying content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification.